Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my Pygame template and how it works. So here up at the top we have some import statements. This is system, Pygame, and time.sleep. And then after that we have some game options like width, height, FPS, and then the name of the window, and the icon path of the window, like the Python icon right there. And after that we have a spot for all of our variables to go, other than the options and the colors. And here's the colors. It's just defining the RGB values of the colors within tuples. So black is 000, and white is a whole bunch of 255s, gray, stuff like this. And by the way, you can find a download link to this template down in the description. And yeah, after the colors, we have spots for functions and our classes. And this is where you put functions and classes. Very intuitive. Now after that we have our initialization, and this is where we initialize Pygame and all the other stuff that we need to initialize, which really just is Pygame as far as I am concerned right now. But if we need to initialize anything else, it would go here. Now after initialization, we're ready to start our game, so we can run the game loop. And here's our game loop. It's just an infinite while loop. Then after that, inside of our game loop, we have the close window stuff. So when you hit the X, like this one here, it will run pygame.quit and system.exit. And that's just going to exit out of our window and close the program. Now after that, we have the stuff that actually draws stuff to the Pygame window. So we have refresh, update, and draw. Now refresh and update are where we put stuff that kind of updates all the objects in our window, our screen. So this is where we put that, and then after that we just draw everything here. So I just have screen.fill black to fill the screen black when we start up the program. And then after that we have publish, which really just puts what we've drawn and actually puts it on the screen. So I'll just use this as an example. You see this Python window. So what it's doing is every few seconds or so. I don't know if this uses Pygame or the same method, but if this was Pygame, then it would, when I highlight this, it would recognize that I highlighted it. Then it would put the gray box here, but it wouldn't actually be on the screen until it did pygame.display.flip, and then it would actually be on the screen, like that. And it does this super quickly, and so what we can do is set a time for that with FPS clock.tick and then FPS, and that really sets our FPS, which I've set to 60. So if we were to run this, we'd get an error because, first of all, icon.png does not exist in the folder that I have. But if it did, if we ran this, then we get a black screen. It would work when we click the X button. This full screen button would be grayed out because we've set a specific width and height. We could make it so that you could full screen. It'd be a little bit different. But yeah, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful. You can find a download link in the description for this Pygame template that we'll be using in future videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye.